What's going on, folks? Let me show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a Kia Forte. It's probably the same from about the 2018 to the 2024. I'm working on the passenger side, so all you got to do is come right here to the end. You'll see your little lid. Just kind of want to spin it over like that pretty much. Set that aside. And once you do that, you'll be able just to reach inside of here. If you're working on the passenger side, you want to feel for the bottom of it, of your light, and just turn it toward the passenger side door. And once you do that, you can kind of wiggle it out just like that. Then once you've done that, make sure also that you wear some gloves, because if not, you'll get greases on your bulb and make it go out quicker. But once you got it right here, all you do now is just pull back on that little back clip and pull it out like that. And this will be, your bulb will come out just like that pretty much. Alright, folks, once again, this is how you'll be changing out your headlights on a Kia Forte from about the 2018 to the 2024. It's pretty simple. Like I said, when you get your new bulb, just take it, snap it in just like that. You want to reach back inside of there. You can look down and you'll see the opening, the hole. And all you're going to be doing is sticking it back inside of there, then turn it back down and you'll be good. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.